So we've got two companies with a reputable brand, okay, forging a strong relationships. We've got Dulux, Alspec, massive brands that can work with each other, obviously for the benefit of everyone involved. I've been working with Alspec for the last 4.5 years and dealing with them from management down to the powder line, professional company, and making sure they want to do everything right the first time and making sure that their customers are getting the best that they can get in aluminium wise and coating wise. Using the showroom, people can come here and see for themselves what a finished product looks like and what Alspec is selling, and using Dulux, how it's coated, how it looks as a finished product, and then they can see it and they can decide what they want without having to imagine what it actually looks like and actually see it in the flesh.
Well, at the moment, the pearls and the metallics have been taking off in a big way. We're finding a lot of the RAL colours, like the 1036, which is a gold, is being asked, like every second job is what we're being asked to basically colour match to. And therefore, not only for windows and frames, but also louvers. So it's it's a pretty strong scheme at the moment with the metallic.
We have a range called Electro, which is more vibrant and a flat finish and anodised look, but there's reds and yellows and other stuff as well, so it's a more of a vibrant metallic and pearl colours. The biggest thing is also people are wanting warranties, and people are wanting to make sure that they're getting what they pay for and the product will last. So Alspec combining with Dulux with the powder coating side of things, two big companies, two big brands offering something which people can feel comfortable with moving forward, and making sure that they can offer a 20-year warranty on powder side things as well, combined with their aluminium offering, makes it a great venture, great joint venture.